Hi viewers, today our topic is sequence and series. Before going to the actual topic, we need to understand what is meant by series. Basically, the series is, it is a, like whether try to give the question like any letter or any number which will satisfy one specific rule. I will give you the example. When give the question like this, 2, 4, 6, and what will be the fourth number? You can clearly see for first two numbers there is a difference of 2, and the next two numbers also there is a difference of 2. So alternately the next number will be 8. So this will be the answer. In this question you try to understand these questions satisfy one specific rule. So this is meant by series. There are some series are there. I will give you explanation. The first one is number series, and the second one is letter series, and the third one is repeated series. And again for this number series there is a two sub-classifications are there. The first one is when the question is given, you need to identify the pattern. This is one type of question. And the second one is you need to identify the wrong number. This is another type. And the next one is letter series, and the next one is repeated series. I will go each and every topic with some examples, so you will try to understand the topic easily. Now we are discussing about one of the pattern number series. In this number series we have a sub-classification. I already discussed patterns. There are some set of examples are there. So I will go one by one. So first example, when you try to see the question 2, 5, 10, 17, you need to identify this one and 37. So for this question what you have to do is you need to find out the common rule here. So here the common rule is when you try to take 2 and 5, when you try to subtract these two, you will get the difference as a 3. And 5 and 10, you will get the difference as a 5. And 17 and 10, you will get the difference as a 7. So you can observe here, the numbers are like 3, 5, 7. The next number will be 9. So 9 you have to add to the previous number. That means 17 plus 9 you will get 26. So after 26 here the sequence is 9, next one is 11, then 26 plus 11 the number is 37. So the rule is satisfied. So the answer will be 26 only. So I will go to next question, the 3, 9, 21, and we need to find out this question mark and 93. Here what you have to find out is you need to take the two numbers 9 and 3. The difference is 6, and the 21 and 9 the difference is 12. So you can clearly observe that every time it is a multiple of 2. So that means 6 2s are 12. Next one is 24. 12 2s are 24. So this 24 must add it to the previous number which is 21 here. So the answer is 21 plus 24. So 45. You can check it out. The next number you will definitely coming as 93 itself. 1, 6, 26. We need to identify this question mark, and 426. What you have to do is take the difference between the 6 and 1. You will get 5. Here also, here you will get 20. So here what you have to do is to get the answer as this rule must be satisfied. You need to multiply the difference with 4. 5 4s are 20, and the 20 is multiplied with 4. You will get 80. Okay. So it keep aside. So if the 20, for the 20, when you try to add with 6, you will get 26. So which is this one. So similar fashion, when 80, you try to add 82 this 26, the previous number, you will get 106. So if you, then the answer will be 106 itself. And the fourth question is 2, 10, 26, 50, you need to identify this question mark, and 122. Here you need to clearly observe the 10 which can be written as 3 square plus 1, and 26 which can be written as 5 square plus 1, and 50 which can be written as 7 square plus 1. Similar fashion, this question mark can be written as 9 square plus 1. So the answer will be 81 plus 1. Question is 1, 2, 3, 10. We need to identify this question mark, and the last number is 9802. So when you try to look at this question, the number is too large here. So what you have to do is the 2 which can be written as 1 square plus 1, and 3 which can be written as 2 square minus 1, and 10 which can be written as 3 square minus plus 1. Sorry. So for this question mark number, you will get the answer. So when you try to observe before that, here the values keep on increasing with square. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. For last one, you will get the answer as 10 square. The values are alternatively increasing and decreasing. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, and so on. Here the value will be minus 1. So 100 minus 1, you will get the answer as 99. Subclassification in number series is wrong numbers. So there is a set of 4 questions are there. I will go each and every one in detail. The first question is 1, 2, 6, 50, 31, 56 and 91. So in this question you need to find the wrong number. So before finding this wrong number, you need to find the logic first for this question. That means we need to find the series. So here 2 minus 1 you will get 1, 4, 6 minus 2 you will get 4, and 15 minus 6 you will get 9, and 31 minus 15 you will get 16, and 56 minus 31 you will get 25. So similar fashion, the next one is 36. Take an example. Okay. So the 4 which can be written as 2 square, and 9 which can be written as 3 square, and 16 which can be written as 4 square, and 25 which can be written as 5 square, and 36 which can be written as 6 square. Okay. So here when you try to see for the 56, when you try to add this 6 square, you will get answer as 92. So but in 92 you have answer as, in this question you have 91. So wrong number is 91 itself. Okay. And the second question is 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, 64. Here you can take the difference of 5 minus 2, you will get 3. Similar fashion, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So similar fashion it will get 15. But here when you try to add 50 plus 15, you will get 65. But instead of 65, here 64 is there. So wrong number is 64. Why 64 means this entire rule is satisfied and failing at this point. So whenever the rule is failed, so the corresponding number becomes wrong number. Question is 7, 28, 63, 124, 215, 342 and 511. When you try to observe this question carefully, it is near to the cube roots. So 7 which can be written as 2 cube minus 1, and 28 limit we can written as 3 cube minus 1, and 63 which can be written as 4 cube minus 1. Similar fashion, all the numbers which can be written as cube value and minus 1. Okay. Here when you observe this combination, everything is satisfied except 28. So 3 cube minus 1 is 27 minus 1, 26. But instead of 26 here you can find 28. So the wrong number is 28 itself. So the fourth question is 3, 8, 15, 24, 34, 48 and 63. So here when you try to take the difference between these two numbers, so 8 minus 3 you will get 5, 15 minus 8 you will get 7, 24 minus 15, you will get 9. But here you get some 10. Leave it up. Leave this one. And next one is, you will get 13. 63 minus 48, you will get 15. So here you will get 11. But when you try to add 24 to 11, you will get 35. But instead of 35, you can find 34 here. So wrong number is 34. So far we discussed number series with two different combinations, patterns as well as wrong numbers. In my next video, you can find letter series as well as repeated series. And if you have any queries on these questions, you can comment on the comment section below. Please like and share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel.